Let's check out this canister vacuum cleaner from Aspiron that was gifted to me so I could do this video. So this vacuum has a fabulous design. It's really got a lot of great features. For one, it's got this handle at the top and it's really lightweight and maneuverable. It has these big wheels so that it can roll around. You can prop it up like that, or you can put it this way and roll it because it has a wheel here as well. To set this up, you're just going to put your hose in, and then you've got your little metal part here that you have to attach. This actually extends out if you're trying to reach a taller area. You can switch out your head attachments depending on what you're trying to clean. You've got these smaller, more detailed brushes for cleaning your nooks and crannies and your hard to reach areas. And then you have your different brushes here. One of these is a carpet brush, and one of these really helps with your pet hair, and it can also be used really well on tile. I'm gonna go ahead and show how well this does vacuuming up. I love the design here of the reel for your electric cord. You got a nice long electric cord, and it actually retracts right into the unit. This is super handy because I feel like I'm always wrestling with my cords, and this design feature I absolutely love. There's just a little button right here at the top for the power cord, and once you push that button, that's what's going to retract it. Okay, so this has 3 different levels of suction. You've got high, medium, and low. You just turn the dial here. You can see my mess. That I was able to get this air vent that is on my super high wall here. It was so dusty and dirty, and now it's all clean. So this vacuum actually has a filter right here, so it's filtering out your dust particles and such, which is nice. And then whenever you go to empty it, it has this reusable bag on it. So what you do, there's a little area here that you're just going to push up on like that, and then you're going to pull your bag out, and then you can actually slide this off the bottom here and empty that all out. It's really simple. And then this is reusable so that you're not having to replace it or anything, and you can use this over and over again. Once it's empty, you're just going to slide this back in, and then it is ready to go another day.